Hey you guys. Okay, I'm back. Now I wanted to use this light pink. It's this right here. And I got this from Amazon, but I think I also ordered a bunch of Cara boutiques because I left all of my laces and stuff home. So instead of trying to get all that stuff here when I was going back and forth home, I just kind of got stuff that I knew I would use. Well, this was a cheaper brand of lace, but I knew I could use it. And well, I didn't think it would be this, but the price was so cheap, I knew it wasn't anything any more substantial than this. So to make it look kind of like, yeah, I mean, you want it to be the best product you can get. Oops, I started on the wrong end, but that's okay. I'll just keep going, and when I get to that end, I'll put just a little more. I'm cooking broccoli while I talk to you guys. Yeah, but I wanted to show you how this page comes together once I do it. Yeah, just be patient with me because this glue is it's hot, so you can't touch it. Yeah, I know the glue guns, right? Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna go over this with the little glue. I'm using hot glue to put this lace on because I'd like for it to stay. And I'm just squinching this up on the glue and laying it down, making sure I squish it up so that the edges of the lace would ruffle. Yeah, and it shouldn't take real long to do this. I don't know what the problem is now. Well, it's hot, and usually I use something, so what I'm trying to do now is I'm going to put it on there, pick it up, and then I'm going to scrunch it. It cools it off some. I think it does. Yeah. You could do it without making a big mess. Real good. If you make a mess, just clean it up afterwards so that you don't have glue globs, as we call them. Yeah. Okay, so I do want it scrunched up just a little more, bringing these two together. I'm going to overlap it just a teeny so you don't see where one stop and one start. Yeah. So right now, that's how I actually bring that together. I'm going to clip the end of this, and I'm going to attach it down here, but I don't want it that glue to show through, so I'm going to put it on that glass and tap it, pick it up so that it's not really showing through. Okay, so that's that right there. As you can see now, the cute thing about this is I don't want this, where I actually attached it down there to show. So what I'm going to do, instead of scrunching it all around, I just want a contrasting ribbon or something to put on the edges. It'll be a decorative touch. So I'm going to put this here. And I think I don't want to do too much. So I'm going to only put it on the top and possibly the bottom. Let's see. I'll see and see what it looks like, okay? How about that? I like this gingham because it is a contrasting print. Yeah, so I want to put that there. Yeah, you see there? I want to put that there. I want to do it on each of the corners. I think I'm going to lay this flat on each side. So I'm going to do that twice. All right. I think I'm expecting some packages today. I don't know. I know I do have a bunch of okay, I'm going to put that one on here. This one on here, and that's to hide those ruffles. Now, if you want those pre-made ruffles that you just made, you can actually go ahead with it. I don't want that look because I don't want to show. I just don't want to show that. So yeah, I'm going to use the ribbon as a decorative source right there. Yeah, so that's how I'm going to do that. And let me tie this piece right here on each end. Yep, we tie this, and that's there, and that's there. And then what I'll do is take these pieces and also put them probably on top of the knots. Is that too much? Or just lay them across each other and put the pink on there to bring it out. And then I'm going to use a pink ribbon to put in the eyelets to hang it. So let me go ahead and attach this. I may have to, since I'm putting the, I might have to lay it flat. Or I can put it on the bottom and not the top. Let's do that. I'm going to have to attach this first. And I'm just going to dab a little glue going up the ribbon in each corner. Yeah, there you are. And I'll clip the ends afterwards. And then this is another piece. Hold on for a second, you guys. Just 1 second, because I think I told you I had a couple of things going at one time. Yeah, so I'm gonna attach this here. Yeah. Okay, let's see. I thought I saw what it looked like, but you know, once you start doing stuff, you realize how you want it. I always like pink and ivory and stuff like that together, especially for spring. I don't know, those are the colors. I just like pink. As much as I say I'm not a pink girl. I end up doing pink stuff. And I use those same pink colors because I think they are too cute. Yes, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to attach this. I like the knots in it. Yeah, I like the knots in it. So I'm going to go ahead and keep the knots in it. And I think I'm not going to put them on top, but in the corner, the little, these. I think I'd rather still cut this off and put those in the corner. Yeah. I think so. Yeah, and that would be so cute to have that heart on there. How cute is that? Okay, let me go ahead and finish this. Okay, I have a knot there, and I need one there. Well, I'm going to run. Let's see where that. I'm going to run this and the remainder of this through here. Yeah. And then I'm going to sprinkle a few embellishments around, like, yeah, I'm trying to get place this stuff so that I won't change my mind, commit to any of the stuff that I said so far. I'm going to put this here, and oops, this is too short. What was I thinking? Okay, let me undo it. That is too short. Let's see, maybe I could come all the way to the end and it'll be long enough, and I'll still have the end on there. All I need is a little piece of the end. Is that enough? Let's make that be enough. How about that? Yeah, we're going to make that be enough. We're going to put it right there. Then I'll come back and I'll attach all the other little stuff. Like, sit that down and put the little flowers. I said I was going to put them up here, huh? But I think I like them on the end with the... I think I like them right there. Yeah, more defined. With the pieces hanging from under it. They are, yeah, I think I like that better. And this is good because it kind of sits on there where I made that little boo-boo. And now I got quite a few. And I have a key that I want to hang somewhere off here. But if you all could see where I'm going with this, and this is the page, and this is what my idea of making it a hanging little gift that you can give to someone. And I would like to hang it so that it wouldn't swing one way or the other. And some kind of way. I think I'll bring it through here twice. Yeah. But anyway, make this hang. And hang some whatchamacallits off of it. Hang some of the ribbon off of it and still put the dangles and stuff on here. So you get the idea of what I'm talking about. So the next video, when I show you my book, I will show you a page in here that I started and I hadn't finished. And this is why I like to just leave my lace and stuff laying around, so that if I get an idea, I can actually go ahead and put it to, you know, carry it through. I need another piece of that. I kept it, yeah, down here to complete this page. And I'm going to put, I think I told you guys, I'm going to take this key and attach it on this page some kind of way. But I want to decoupage some of the rice paper on top of this lace. So when I come back, I'm going to show you the extra page I did, completed with the embellishments on it, so you could use it as a hanger. And I'll also decoupage the back side of it so that, you know, I mean, I think I'm going to put a little note on it so when I give them away, I'll have a little note on the back of this that they can look at from time to time, right? Okay, so I can do that. But I also had, and because this is a kinda fabric lace book, may as well say, yeah, I decided I would use different pieces of fabric to make the book. So I think I'm going to go with this, and this is ribbon for this page right here. I like this, so I think this would give it a really distinguishing look also. So yeah, when I come back, I'll show you the 2 pages I completed in this book, and I'll show you this page that I just did as one of those frames, totally complete, and I'll even find something to hang it on, and I'll show you how I propose to hang it. Okay, all right, you guys, that is that how to put these little things together and decorate them. And I even want to take some of the pictures that I want to put in here and put them where I want them so that you all could see it. Hopefully I'll get a chance to do that before I give it to the person that I'm giving it to, so that at least they'll have an idea of what I mean when I say, you know, it could be a photo album, or it could just be a faith. It could be it'll be a faith book anyway, because it has all of your Bible verses and stuff in it. So, or some of the Bible verses and stuff in it. It's just a book of love, you know, when I look at it. And when I make them, and I made so many faith books over the years, they're all so very different, but they all have that one element, love, you know. So yeah, I like that. I like that. I don't know, I just made this. I'm sure it's something simple, something, you know, I know it's something that's been done already, but we're gonna do it Miss D's way. Okay, all right, you guys. Hey, thank you all for stopping by. Thanks for all the new subscribers that I've been getting. Thank you all for watching the video. Like it if you liked it. Thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, subscribe if you are a new, you know, just stopping by, or a new subscriber. Come back and watch some of the other videos that I actually put up. I'm going to try to do as many as possible because it's getting ready to get super busy for me. So yeah, all right, you guys, I'm going to leave until I come back again. I will talk to you all later. Hope you all are having a great day. Bye.